Bretford was founded in 1948 by my grandfather Russ and his brother Edward and spans 3 generations.
Investing with Bretford means you're investing with a company that, number one, is about quality. Bretford was the first company to launch an iPad charging cart. It speaks to our innovation over the years and being ahead of the competition in the field and offering our customers more than the competition.
At Bretford, we value our outstanding relationships with our partners, our suppliers, and our customers, some that span decades. They trust our solutions, and that means a lot.
We serve many markets, from education and healthcare to enterprise and retail. We do our very best to find the best solution for you, and we take each success to heart.
We're truly the leaders in innovation. I'm very proud to be part of this team.
We believe in the strength of diversity, for diverse people, experiences, and ideas lead to superior solutions.
Our customer experience teams are the best in this business, and we hear that often. We have pre- and post-sales teams who are dedicated to deliver 100% customer satisfaction.
Our dedicated union employees are here to make your order in our U.S.-based plant following ISO, UL, and Intertech standards.
At Bretford, our union employees strive for excellence.
Reflecting on our family's modest beginnings, I'm excited about the future of Bretford. Our family is proud to stand behind the company name.